Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree. We have another digital associated math question. This question comes from the topic of circle. A circle in the xy plane has a diameter with its endpoints 2 and 4 and the 2 and 14. An equation of this circle is x minus 2 squared plus y minus 9 squared is equal to r squared, where r is a positive constant. What is the value of r? So, to solve this question, I would suggest you to draw a coordinate plane to have a better understanding of what's going on in here. And 2 and 14, let's say here is 1 and here is 2, and let's say 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 and 4 is this point 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Let's say here is the 14. So the coordinates of this point is again, this is 4, this is 14. Yeah, and there is a circle inside of these, and these are the endpoints as given. So we have a circle like this here. Again, the coordinates of here is 2 and 4, and here is 2 and 14. So in here, what's the radius? We need to determine the radius. If you would just pay attention, this passes through the origin, and how many steps we just went up from 4 to 14. It's like 14 minus 4. That gives you 10. So 10 is the diameter of the circle. Then this would be 5. This would be 5. And in this equation, we would write x minus 2 squared plus y minus 9 squared plus this is equal to r squared. R is the radius. So therefore, we're just going to put 5 squared. In this equation, the value of r will be 5 for this equation, specific equation. Thank you for watching. I wish you good luck on your tests and exams. Have a good one. Bye-bye.